If you want to prevent tumbling down the stairs, try this routine. Sorry, I had to use that clip just to catch your attention because this is an important topic. It could save your life. Don't worry, luckily that lady in the clip is fine, and I want you to be fine too, but in a preventative way. As you can see, these are step downs. It mimics going down the stairs, but when you practice it with intention, it really strengthens your glutes, your quads, hamstrings, and your ankles, everything involved in stabilizing you as you go down. You can do this on a step up, on your stairs, or anything that's sturdy, elevated from the floor. Keep something close by to hold on for balance. It's important that you go very slow and controlled. That's what's going to help. Now this little exercise protects your knees. It prevents it from buckling, which is the last thing you want when going down the stairs. Lean on a wall, lift your toes towards the ceiling, and hold for a couple seconds. Again, taking it nice and slowly. Now it's very possible you can trip going up the stairs too if you don't have enough height. That's your hip mobility and hip flexors. We're gonna lift our knee up and hold for a few seconds. Do both sides, and again, keep a chair close by for balance. Not to mention this will help improve your balance, which is extremely important when going down and up the stairs. Last but not least, you need to improve your ankle mobility. If you don't have good ankle mobility, you're compromising yourself when navigating up and down the stairs. Do simple circles from a seated position, do some flexions, and windshield wipers. Keep these parts of your body strong and mobile, and you'll be able to navigate those stairs a lot safer.